Hello, everyone, and happy Memorial Day. This week, you will be learning about the expectations of the course as well as each other. You'll also be learning in Chapter 1 what does nutrition mean and how can nutrition play a role in helping to prevent certain chronic diseases. Your assignments this week that need to be completed by 11 p.m. on Sunday, June the 4th, are first of all to sign the course contract electronically by typing your name. Also, you need to watch the Navigating the Course video that is on the announcements page and answer the questions on the course quiz. This video I made and it walks you through where things are located on the course. Also, you'll want to read your syllabus to help answer some of the questions on the course quiz. The next thing you need to do is introduce yourself on the discussion board. So if you go to the discussion board and go to the greetings and introductions, you first want to post about yourself, answer these 4 questions about yourself. After you have answered those questions, then you need to reply to one other student to receive the full 3 points. This is where some students forget to do this. They forget to reply to another student and then they lose some points there. Also, if you have a picture, post that so we can see who you are. You also need to register your access code with Modified Mastering Nutrition under the Pearson tab. If you haven't already purchased your book, then you need to do so. You can do one of 2 things. You can have a physical book that comes with the access code, Modified Mastering Nutrition, or you can just buy the access code by itself. Some people like a physical book, some people do not. So it's up to you to decide what you want to do. To register, you need to go to the tab that says Pearson's My Lab and Mastering in Blackboard. Once there, you need to scroll down to where it says Getting Started with My Lab Integrated Blackboard Course. There is a video that you can watch that shows you how to register, and I have written steps. The key thing that I want you to remember is you are registering in Blackboard, not Pearson. Because the My Mastering is integrated with Blackboard so that you can look at all of your grades in Blackboard instead of 2 different places. So, if you are short on funds, you can even get a temporary access for approximately 2 weeks. But you must remember, after that 2 weeks is up, all your work will be lost. So don't let that happen to you. But if you want just the access code and you're short on funds, that would be the route to go because it's like $88 or $89. So please follow these steps and register in Blackboard so that you won't get behind in your assignments. Now, the assignments that need to be completed by 11 p.m. on Sunday, June the 4th, you have a couple of assignments in mastering that need to be completed. One of them is the Chapter 1 study module in mastering, and the other one is the nutrition math basics. That's a homework assignment. Believe it or not, we have some math in nutrition. It's kind of simple math, figuring out how many calories are in this food products or in a meal. What is the percentage of calories in this particular meal? So you need to know how to do that so there won't be any surprises when you take the exam, number one. And the last assignment is a credible websites assignment, and that is in Blackboard. So you need to go in the course content tab and click on the Module 1 folder, What is Nutrition? And I just want to point out a couple of things to you before I show you the assignment. There is a lecture content here. It's a learning object. It's like PowerPoints. We don't have PowerPoints anymore. So the lecture content, the learning object is your PowerPoint. So please read that. That's the abbreviated chapter 1, and it gives you good information. And if you scroll down, here is the credible websites assignment. Here is the document. You open that up. First, you need to find one website that addresses nutrition. Then you need to answer, there's 8 questions about that internet website that you found that is about nutrition. You're going to determine if that website, internet, is valid or not. Is the information on that website valid? So you're going to answer 8 questions to determine its validity. You want to make sure that all of your answers are in complete sentences. Don't answer yes or no, because if you do, then points will be taken off. And the last question will ask you, do you think that this website is credible or not? Why or why not? And you have to answer it in 5 comprehensive, complete sentences. If you have 1, 2, 3, or 4 sentences and not 5, then points will be taken off. If you do not know how to submit an assignment on Blackboard, please look at this video that I made that walks you through how to submit an assignment, or I have written steps that will help you also. So these are the things that you need to complete by Sunday, June the 4th at 11 p.m. I hope that you have found this video helpful. Enjoy your holiday off and have a good week.